Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to solve how we can actually figure out and fix the Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you problem. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now this could be happening to a couple of regions. First of all, open up Facebook, then just go to the Marketplace icon. If you can't access Marketplace from here, tap the three lines option. Inside the Shortcuts tab, you can go to See More and search for Marketplace here, and then try to access Marketplace in that way and see if that helps you. If it doesn't, one thing you can also try to do is just try to log into some other Facebook account. So what happens is that sometimes Facebook might have restricted your account from accessing Marketplace. You can just try to go ahead and then log out and then log into another account. If that doesn't help, long press the Facebook app icon, tap the I button to come to the app info page, and after that what you have to do is simply go to the Storage tab, clear the cache files, and also make sure to clear the data. Once you clear the cache files and data, now you can basically come back, and after you have done that, update the Facebook app to the latest version and then see if that helps you as well. Hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.